Hey y'all, another video. Let's take a look at the inside. I want to show you some things on the inside and let you know what I'm fixing to do, what I'm starting to do. So here we go. Sorry about the wind. Man, we've been having storms here, something fierce. But watch me take this cover off and then we'll jump on the inside of it. Why I took the railing off and getting ready to take that anchor plate off is I'm putting a tarp over the whole thing and trying to shorten it up because I'm going to build a building around it. I'm also going to take this swim platform off. That'll shorten it up a little bit. Now, I put the bucket on there because I was siphoning out some water. Let's raise this engine hatch. See what it looks like in there. All right. 260 horsepower, and that baby's coming out. I've never taken a motor out, but it's coming out. We're going to clean it up and see if we can't sell it, because they say it runs great. Everything comes out of there, and I'm not putting a new motor in because I'm putting a outboard on it, an Armstrong bracket and an outboard. And then this little window over here is just the right size for a small air conditioner. So I'm going to shut this hatch so I can show you some other things. Here's a little cubby hole. Got a whole bunch of stuff in it. Flares, ropes. Got a whole bunch of them back there. But I'm replacing this hatch. All the lights are going to be replaced. I'm not sure what that is for. I think it's just an access for the fuel line. It did have a bench seat right here. That's got a bunch of parts in it, and a life ring and duct tape and 30 amp cord. The U-shape setting. Got a little water buildup there. I'm still have to level the boat and bring the bow up just a little bit so the water will drain out of it. There's a 30 amp cord. Windows, none of them's broken, anything like that. It is missing a brace right here on this side. So I'm going to make one up or order one or do something. Now the electronics, all that is going to be replaced and taken out and fixed up, and it's probably not going to be the original stuff. I'm going to have all brand new stuff, but yeah, it's going to look a lot nicer. Alright, coming downstairs here, we did have some water in here, but we got all that pumped out now, and it didn't look this bad when I got it. All the cushions was in the right spot and things like that, but I've been kind of moving some things around and seeing what's all in here. I'm going to pull everything out of here and we're going to do an inventory on it, but it's going to be after I get an air conditioner, because it is 115 degrees down here. And what I might do is put it up here in this hatch right here. I'm going to build a box for it, put it there, bring the cord down here where I can plug it in. There was a lot of stuff in this boat left. A lot of good stuff too. Hooks, covers for all the windows. And I caulked all the windows, all the hatches and everything last night. And it rained, stormed terribly last night and today. And it doesn't seem like any water got in. So that's a good thing. But once I pull all this out, I'm going to put paper all around, all down on the floor and around. And then the next time it rains, I'll get in here and see where it's leaking, because we want to get those patched up before anything. Mud daubers like you wouldn't believe. Everything's pretty well just going to get ripped out of here. This is the aft cabin. Really not much to do in here, just clean the thing and get some air going to it, make it a lot better. All this carpet's going to be pulled up, and I'm fiberglassing the floor, and we're just going to throw a rug down, a throw rug. I'm not going carpet. You should never have carpet in a boat. And as you can see on my pontoon boat, I put carpet on, and I wish I hadn't. Same way with the head. Everything gets replaced in the head. All the wood is going to be fiberglassed. It's not too bad. This is a wiring nightmare up here. So we're digging into that. Every one of them wires will probably come out. But what I did is I took the battery out. There was 2 batteries in here. I took them out just to see if they were still good, and they wasn't. So they was bought in 2014. So I know this battery's like brand new because I just bought it for the pontoon boat. But I'm going to take it back there, hook it up, see if we can't get some lights going in here and things like that. So I would take you up on deck, but that's a whole nother video. As you can see, we have some parts that I've taken off already. The railing, got a bunch of screws out of it. That's the batteries that I took out from 2014. They're no good, so we're going to get rid of those. This is a bunch of railing pieces, things like that I got off of it. I thought the bases was going to be good, but they're not. I'm going to have to replace those too. I put the railings up there in my ceiling joy. I also have that I got out of it, a Minn Kota charger, and but I'm probably going to replace that with a bigger one. It's a 210. It works real good and everything, and I'll probably sell it for, I don't know, 20, 25 bucks, something like that. and buy a bigger, better one that monitors the batteries and not just charges them up, but it monitors them also. So, oh, what else? The ladders. 2 ladders that's sitting, that was on the back swim platform. We got them off and they're right there. And I'm going to try to get all this stuff gathered up for you, and we're going to take an inventory of it. But I wanted to get the inside videotape so I can start taking stuff out. And because I'm getting ready to wash it down and getting it look a little better, and get an air conditioner in it and things like that. So, all right, this would be the end to another video. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and the bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Comment on it. Please comment. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what I should do first. I don't know whether to do the outside first or the inside first. I know I need to get the leak stopped immediately. And I know I need to get some air going down to it so the bugs ain't going to get in and stuff like that. Get it sealed up. So, yeah, please let me know. Comment and let's talk and see what we need to do on this. And if you're interested in a 260 horsepower engine, it's a Volvo Pentra, then I'm going to have one for sale dirt cheap just to get it out of here. All right, well, that's it. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.